how to turn on Show Tab Bar on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on Show Tab Bar on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, go to the browser and now click this three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it just click settings, and here you will find layout and menu. Click on it and click show tab bar, and as you see, just by one click show tab bar have been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.